Best Powerline Adapters reviews help choose fast, stable internet solutions, improving gaming, streaming, and whole home network performance. My today's video is about top 5 best Powerline adapters review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started, starting at NexusLink G.HN Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. The NexusLink Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit is a practical solution for anyone needing faster, more reliable internet without running long Ethernet cables. By using your home's existing electrical wiring, it transforms ordinary wall outlets into stable wired network access points, making setup quick and hassle-free. Simply plug in both adapters, connect your devices, and enjoy stronger connectivity instantly. Performance is a standout feature, especially for gaming and streaming. Gigabit Ethernet speeds combined with advanced LDPC/FEC error correction help reduce lag, buffering, and dropped frames, delivering smoother gameplay and uninterrupted 4K streaming. It's also an excellent option for remote work where video calls and stable downloads matter. Scalability adds extra value, allowing connection of up to 16 compatible Powerline devices for wider coverage across larger homes or offices. With modern G.HN and MIMO dual-phase technology, it performs especially well in apartments or environments with multiple connected devices. Overall, this adapter kit offers convenience, strong performance, and dependable wired networking where Wi-Fi struggles most. Now our second product is Gilo Wi-Fi Extender Signal Booster 1200 megabits per second. This Wi-Fi extender signal booster is a strong choice for households struggling with weak signals and dead zones. Equipped with 4 high-gain antennas, it delivers impressive coverage of up to 12,880 square feet, extending connectivity to bedrooms, garages, upper floors, and even outdoor areas. Its ability to maintain stable signals through walls makes it especially useful for large or multi-story homes. Performance is equally impressive when it comes to device capacity. Supporting up to 105 connected devices, it handles smartphones, smart TVs, tablets, printers, and security cameras simultaneously without noticeable congestion. This makes it ideal for modern smart homes with multiple users online at once. The dual-band design adds flexibility. The 2.4 GHz band offers wider range and better wall penetration for smart devices, while the 5 GHz band provides faster, lower interference speeds for gaming, video calls, and HD streaming. Setup is quick and beginner-friendly thanks to step-by-step instructions and smart signal indicators that help find the best placement. Added WPA/WPA2 encryption ensures secure browsing and protection for connected devices. Our third product is TrendNet Powerline 500 Avenue Nano Adapter Kit. The TrendNet TPL406E2K Powerline 500 Avenue Nano Adapter Kit is an excellent solution for creating reliable wired internet connections without installing new Ethernet cables. Using your home's existing electrical wiring, it quickly extends network access to rooms where Wi-Fi may be weak or unstable. The kit includes 2 adapters, allowing users to start instantly and expand up to 8 adapters for broader whole home coverage. Setup is refreshingly simple. Just connect one adapter to your router and plug the second into any wall outlet. The encrypted Powerline signal automatically pairs, eliminating complicated software or CD installations. This makes it ideal for beginners and users wanting a hassle-free networking upgrade. The built-in Ethernet port is highly practical, providing stable wired connections for smart TVs, gaming consoles, desktop PCs, and streaming devices. It helps reduce buffering, lag, and signal drops compared to standard Wi-Fi in distant rooms. TrendNet also adds confidence with a 3-year manufacturer warranty and dedicated support team. Overall, this kit offers dependable performance, convenience, and excellent value for home networking needs. Now number 4, TP-Link AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender. The TP-Link RE315 Wi-Fi Extender is a reliable and user-friendly solution for improving wireless coverage throughout the home. Designed to eliminate dead zones, it uses adaptive path selection to maintain a stronger and more stable connection, making it ideal for bedrooms, upstairs areas, garages, and other weak signal spots. One-touch connection also makes setup quick and simple. Its dual-band performance delivers up to 1.2 gigabits per second combined bandwidth, with 867 megabits per second on 5 GHz for streaming and gaming, plus 300 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz for browsing and smart home devices. Two adjustable external antennas help maximize signal reach across up to 1,500 square feet while supporting as many as 32 connected devices. The built-in fast Ethernet port adds extra versatility, allowing users to connect smart TVs, PCs, or gaming consoles for a more stable wired experience. Easy mesh compatibility is another highlight, enabling seamless whole-home coverage when paired with supported routers. TP-Link's strong focus on cybersecurity adds confidence, making the RE315 a dependable extender for modern connected homes. And our last choice is Netgear Powerline Adapter Kit. This Powerline adapter is an excellent solution for extending wired internet access to rooms where Wi-Fi signals struggle. Instead of relying on wireless repeaters, it uses your home's existing electrical wiring to carry data, turning wall outlets into reliable network connection points. It is especially useful for basements, upstairs rooms, or entertainment areas far from the router. Powered by HomePlug AV2 technology, it supports gigabit-class speeds, making it a strong option for 4K streaming, online gaming, and large file downloads. Connections feel stable and responsive, with less lag and fewer interruptions than many wireless setups. Multiple data streams with MIMO and beamforming further improve performance by directing signals efficiently through household wiring. A standout feature is the built-in pass-through power outlet with noise filtering, allowing you to keep using the socket while helping maintain optimal network quality. Setup is effortless with true plug-and-play convenience, no software or complicated configuration required. Overall, this adapter delivers fast, dependable wired networking with minimal effort, making it a smart upgrade for homes needing stronger internet reach. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.